Yo, what is going on guys? It's your boy DxHardCore, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to upload custom clips, custom screenshots, custom videos from YouTube, and basically from there, I will be showing you how to get that onto Xbox Live and show you mates and friends and family or whatever you want to show. So basically in this video, I'll be showing you how to get them clips or them custom clips onto your Xbox Live feed. So basically guys, let's get into the video and roll the fucking intro. So basically guys, what you need to be doing for the first step, you need to make sure you go to the Microsoft Store and download the Xbox Console Companion Beta app. You need to have this one to do this uploading custom clip stuff. So basically download this, and then from there you should be all fine. And then you want to minimize that and just basically load up the beta app from there, and then you should be able to sign in. But I probably will need to, never mind, it automatically signed me in. So basically guys, from there you want to go to the fourth one, to the captures, and from here you should basically load this part up. And if you haven't got any clips, don't worry about it. So basically you want to go to Xbox Live, and then you can see all the clips that you got on Xbox. So from now, of this clip right here is basically one of the clips I'm talking about that I'm showing you how to upload to Xbox. So basically, yes, is one of the clips. I don't want to play it because it's copyrighted music, and I don't fancy getting copyrighted. So basically guys, go to on my PC, and if you haven't got no clips, all you need to do is basically grab this, and then from here you basically want to go to videos and then captures, and then from here you want to go and get any video of yours. So I'm going to minimize the Xbox app. For example, I'm going to upload my intro to Xbox. Why the hell not? So basically from here I'm going to go back to the Xbox app and wait for it to refresh. And from here, you should see that it refreshes, and you should see your video sitting there ready to get uploaded. The beta of this Xbox app is basically it's unbelievably good. So basically, all you need to do is upload. And if you want to change anything, I'm going to change the testing just for testing purposes of this video. So basically, yeah, you want to go to testing, and then from here, you should basically just click upload. And then from here, it should show what game is this. So basically I'm just gonna put GTA 5 for an example. You can do any game that you are playing, but just make sure if it's any swearing in there, make sure you put it as a +18 game, because if you put it to like a +3 game, you will probably get banned from our Xbox. Just for a little warning right there. So basically from there you want to basically click on any of the games that you want to put it as, and basically just click upload and then click OK, and then from there your clip should be uploading. But one thing guys, this clip will not, or your screenshot or your video won't upload straight away. It has to go through all the Xbox stuff, like all the staff members, all the employees, all the devs, whoever controls this Xbox app. And basically from there you have to wait for them to verify that it's a video. And yeah, from there it'll be uploaded to Xbox. And yeah, it should take around 3 to 4 hours, depends how long the video is. And yeah, from there guys, I will move to the Xbox and I'll show you this clip on Xbox. And yeah, so basically I'll see you on the Xbox. Right guys, we're on the Xbox now. All you need to do is go to my profile on the Xbox, or if you're still on the Xbox app and you want to know how to get your profile, basically go to the top left. You should see your profile picture in the little circle. Click on that and then go to activity feed, and you should see a clip there. So basically on the Xbox, all you need to do is go to your profile, go to social, and then from there you can see your clip is right there. I've named it testing as like a test, and you can see the game. It shows GTA 5. So basically, yeah, you basically can do it. And also guys, if you want to as well, you can add me. My game tag is on the screen, as you can see. And yeah, I am currently on the road to 2k followers. That'd be pretty good if I can hit it by the end of the year. That'd be fucking unbelievable. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to see more like this, I have literally redone the channel a little bit. So basically new content, so basically this kind of content, gameplay content, and other stuff like that. It's gonna be a brand new start for me. So basically guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment what kind of other stuff you want me to try and do tutorials on, and yeah, just let me know. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video, and peace.